Welcome back to our new DFS Aviation Services Expert Talk. Today we invited my colleague Camillo from the training department. Hi Camillo.
Hi.
And we would like to talk about the training possibilities that we offer and the remote training we have. So I would say, let's give it a start. So Camillo, you work in the training department for a couple of years now. Tell us a little bit more what responsibilities the training department has.
Our more important task is to care of the proficiency and training of our own air traffic controllers that we have. We also care of the training of the new air traffic controllers that we are employing soon. And we also provide some external courses to external customers. And that's it.
Okay. Well, we are known as the DAS A2 Academy, but you often say us that it's more like a family to work in the training department. So maybe you would like to tell us something about the background of the training team.
Yeah, the background to that is that we have more than 8 different nationalities in the team,
which is quite a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. So we have expertise as trainers and sim pilots from all over the world. So it's a really nice team, and it's nice to have.
And does all the instructors and sim pilots have a real pilot background?
Yes. All our sim pilots, they have at least a PPL, so a private pilot license. And a lot of them, they also have ATPL or frozen ATPL. Okay. So we have really professional sim pilots.
Yeah, that seems like it.
Yeah.
So, of course, we train our own EDCOs. What other portfolio training courses do we have?
Well, we have some refresher courses, like, for example, emergency refresher, OUTI refresher, or human factors refresher. At the same time, we also have new courses, like, for example, for office personnel.
Okay.
And we also have some customized courses with different customers, and, of course, also some projects.
Okay. You just said that we have customized courses for our international customers, for example. How does it work?
Well, sometimes the customer come to us with some necessities, or they just want to have a course that we already have in our portfolio, but it's specified to the customer needs. So we can together, or they just give us the topic and we create a course designed for that customer.
Okay, so it's very individualized then.
Yeah.
So what facilities do we use during the courses?
Well, we have some facilities here in the headquarters of the DFS Aviation Services in Langen, but we also have some facilities at the locations that we have around Germany. Here in the headquarters, we have some classrooms and also some simulators where we can use for practical and theoretical part of each course.
Okay, and we have one very impressive simulator, the 360-degree simulator. Maybe you have already seen it on the website or in other videos that we posted. So can you tell us a little bit more about that simulator?
Well, it's a really nice simulator to work with. It's all the experience that we had in the past with customers they are really impressed of this one, because it can be adapted to the needs of the customer, and yeah, we are happy to have that.
Very nice. During the pandemic, you also in the training department developed an online learning management system, which is used nowadays in courses. What is we call it LMS, right? So what is the LMS exactly?
LMS is a learning management system. It's a platform where we can provide courses. We have there all the material that is needed for the courses. We can also make exams and tests in the same platform, and also have video conferences, so the trainees can be around the world, and the trainer also sitting at home, for example. And yeah, it's a really good program to use during the pandemic, and now also to avoid traveling, for example.
Okay, so which reduces costs for the customer,
of course,
for example.
And at the same time, we also have the remote tower and radar simulator, so we can provide a fully remote course to the customer if that's the customer wants.
Okay, so can we do all the courses via this remote training?
Most of them can be provided by the by the tower or either SIM and also via the LMS. It just depends to the customer needs, and also, I mean, the requirements for the remote simulation, for example, are not high. A few screens and a laptop or PC can be enough. So yeah, that's a really good option that we have.
Yeah, and very simple then to use as well.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching our new video and our new expert talk. Thank you, Camillo, that you visited us and talked us through the training session.
It was a pleasure.
Yeah, so stay tuned for our next videos. We still have some interesting topics coming this year, and goodbye.